Why we have to write this examination, Union Public Service Commission Civil Services Examination? For every citizen of India want to serve the nation. In serving the nation, we can serve the nation in two ways. Number one, by joining defense forces. Number two, by protecting the civilians, by doing the service to the civilians. Why? Because the country means what? The country means not mud, the country means the people. Deshamante matti kadoi, deshamante manushaloi means we are serving the people. So in order to serve the people, in order to serve the country, two things are there, or two opportunities are there, or two ways are there. One way is joining defense forces, other way is by joining civil services. So this particular Union Public Service Commission, and here I am to make you to join into the civil services, to serve the nation. That is the main purpose of UPSC writing the examination. Number two, service orientation. You know, Indian police service or Indian police job, Indian administrative service or Indian administrative job, Indian revenue service or Indian revenue job. It is service. Doing your job itself is a service. Doing your duty with utmost ethics and values itself is a service. So this is called as service. You are providing service to the nation. In spite of taking salary, still you are called as a service provider. You are going to serve the nation. So if you have service orientation, if you want to serve the people, if you want to serve the nation, if you want to serve the needy people, if you want to serve the disadvantaged sections of the world, mainly India point of view, then this particular civil services is service orientation. Number three, recognition. A middle class person like you and me cannot get any recognition. Either we have to jump into cinematic industry, or we have to jump into politicians, or we have to jump into sports. But we cannot do these three. Why? Because we are from very poor background. So only one thing as our weapon, education as the weapon, we can get recognition by cracking this examination, civil service examination. So a middle class person like you or me, you and me can get the recognition by this particular examination, civil service examination. If you want the recognition, yes, you get the rank, people will run behind you. You get the rank, people will be crazy for your appointment. People will be crazy for your selfie. Recognition point of view. Privileges and huge respect. You will get the privilege, you will get the huge respect. People feel happy to get a selfie from you. You will get huge if you go to any relative's house. Up to now, who were been your enemies, now they will be your close friends. They will be showing lot of respect to you. You will get privileges and huge respect. Contacts will develop, mainly job security. Article 311 of the Constitution provides you job security. No one can remove you. No one can dismiss you except the President of India. So you have huge job security. What you want? What any man want, and every man want what security. So that security is UPSC constitutional body is providing you through the examination, civil service exam. Like becoming an IAS officer. See, on your table, on the table having this placard, IAS officer, you have to dream about. Yes, मेरा नाम के पीछे IAS होना चाहिए. ना पेर वेन का IAS ఉండాలి. ना पेरे IAS तो कल्पकल्पగా ఉండిపోవాలి. నా పేరు అంటేనే IAS అయిపోవాలి. That determination you need to have. You have to dream for IAS. You have to dream for police service, Indian police service. To become an Indian police service. To become an Indian revenue service officer. To become Indian foreign services. Yes, UPSC civil service examination is the best opportunity. For that, what you need to do? You need to write an exam which will be conducted by this particular body called as Sangh Lok Seva Ayog, which is called as Union Public Service Commission. This constitutional body will be conducting the examination. This examination you have to write Union Public Service Commission examination in order to crack or in order to get into IAS, IPS, IFS and IRS examination. In order to serve the nation, in order to have this flag, you have to write the examination which will be conducted by this particular bodies. So, I am telling you, whoever are watching this particular video, your future has already been started. And your future depends upon what you do today, and your today is already started. Your future depends on what you do today. This is my favorite quote. This is my favorite quote. And your today has begun. So this is the beginning, or this is the journey. Your journey for becoming an IAS officer begins from today.